are going to love the 2018 Honda Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity, all that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, overhead console, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, day and night rear view mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.